Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charlene, and in today's video we're going to go over some of the items I hauled from Bath and Body Works, broken down in some of the collections. We have the luxury collection that's for the men. I have the single scent collection, a couple of items from that one, a couple of them from the White Barn, and also from the Gingham collection. So if you want to see what my thoughts are on any of those items, just stay tuned. All right, guys, so let's first get started with the single scent collection. I picked up a couple of those from the mist sale that was going on. I picked up the musk and the coconut. So let's see what the musk smells like. It says that it is notes of sheer orchid and airy musk for a delicate skin-like scent. And that's exactly what it is. It's just an airy musk. And I know these collection was something that is good for you to layer with. Yeah. This is nice. I like it. So that one is the musk one. It got a nice, it's got a slight sweetness to it, and like it says, an airy musk. The other one is the coconut. Let's see. And coconut says that it has notes of warm coconut, milk, and creamy shea butter for a comforting, nostalgic scent. Yeah, so you do pick up on the coconut, and like I said, it is warm. So I can see both of these being added, like, you know, mixed in with some of the other scents that you might have, that you want to amp up that particular scent. Yeah, warm coconut. So, warm coconut milk. So glad I got both of those. They were the ones that stood out to me the most as far as being interested in them. The other thing I'm going to get to was the collection from White Barn. I picked up 3 of those. I have the Sun Washed Santal here. So the Sun Washed Santal has fragrance notes of Italian bergamot, white violet, and amberwood. So let's see what I think of this one. I'm starting to see Santal in quite a few scents that I have, and I think I like it. Yeah, this is nice. It's smooth. It's very smooth, and it's nice. It's got bergamot, it says, but it's Italian bergamot. But I'm smelling more of the violet and the amberwood. This is a nice scent. So this is the Sun Washed Santal. This is I like that. It's a nice airy scent. The next one is Vanilla Suede. And Vanilla Suede, while this alcohol is drying down, says this is a cozy vanilla, brushed suede, and crisp linen. You smell the crisp linen right off the bat. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, this is like you're getting a warm hug. A nice, sweet, warm hug. This is beautiful. Oh, I love this. It's not, it says brushed suede, so it's just a hint of it, so it's not dominant at all. What you smelling is the crisp linen, and you smelling the vanilla. And they named it right, cozy vanilla, because that's what it feels like. It feels like you're getting a nice, warm hug. Oh, I love it. Vanilla suede, that is beautiful. And the last one I got from this collection is Amber Blush. see here. And Amber Blush says it has warm amber, fresh jasmine, and oak moss. This is light. Very light. I was wondering about the oak moss in this one, but it's not heavy on the oak moss at all. This is well blended. I'm surprised by this one. Warm amber, fresh jasmine. It's got a slight warmth to it. The jasmine, they all blended very well. So it's like not one taking over the other one. This is just a beautiful scent. Yeah. Yeah. This is nice as well. And I'm impressed by all of these. All of those from that dough. So the Sunwash Santal, Vanilla Suede, and Amber Blush. These 3 from the White Barn collection. I would highly recommend all 3 of those. They're not too heavy on anything in particular. And they're just like nice everyday scents. I really enjoy that. So the other one I'm going to do next is the men's luxury collection. I did not know that they did a luxury line for the men as well. So I decided to pick up some of the items from my hubby. So the first one that I picked up was the My Signature from this line. And this one, I sprayed these already out because I wanted to do some research on these. And these all smell wonderful. Now, the My Signature is said to be duping the Azzaro Wanted. My husband does not have that one yet, but it is a scent that I do like. I have smelled it. And it does give you similar vibes. So I'm really happy that we found this one. This one has notes of golden pineapple, orange flower, and tonka bean. Golden pineapple, it says on there, but if it is there, it's very, you know, small on the list. But that orange flower and tonka bean is what you do smell in that one. So this one is one of my favorites out of the 4. I picked up 4 from that line. This one probably is the first or second on the list that I really enjoy. The next one was the Glory one. Now, Glory is said to be duping Creed Aventus. Oh, it has notes of electric lemon, patchouli, and blonde cedar. The cedar is very dominant here. The patchouli, you can smell it here. So this one is a whole nother fall feel than that My Signature one. That My Signature one, I can see you wearing it every day, especially in the summertime. This one, to me, I think you can wear it any time of year as well because it has the lemon in there. But to me, it feels like it's more of a fall type of winter. Unless you live in the Southwest, you know, you can go get away with it. But that Glory it smells great as well. I really do like that one. And then other one is the Uso Navy. Now this one is a good dupe. This one is duping Bleu de Chanel. It has notes of fresh ginger, rich cedarwood, and vetiver. Now, my hubby does have that one. And these are very similar, so they did a very good job. Yes, they did a very good job duping this one. If this is what they was trying to do, they did a very good job of it. This is like an office, like a man in a suit in an office setting or going to a meeting of any kind. This is an office type setting scent. I love it. Hence why my hubby has it. And then the last one that was on that I picked up, it's not the last one that was in the collection, but it's the last one I picked up, is this Rouge Rebel. This one has a, you know what, this one to me is more unisex than it is masculine. I feel like a woman can get away wearing this one as well. But I think this one is trying to do Baccarat 540. I do not have that set. But it is a pretty scent. This one has notes of sparkling apple, amber woods, and sugar musk. Like I said, this one to me smells more unisex. I think a female can definitely get away wearing this one, but it does smell nice. It's not my favorite out of the 4. So if I was to say what a favorite was, it probably would be between the My Signature and the Oh So Navy. I love both of these. And then I think it will be Glory. And then the Rouge Rebel. So that's it for the men's collection. Now let's move on to the last collection that I wanted to share with you guys in this video. And that is the Gingham. Now, I pulled out the other gingham that I hauled with you guys before. That was the Gingham Glow. So here's the one that I had before. Gingham Glow. I was saving it for the summertime because I hauled it in the winter. And remind myself of this scent. Yeah, this is the one that has the marigolds, I think. Golden nectar, marigold petals, sun-soaked sandalwood. This smells beautiful. And that's why I picked it up originally. Out of the ones, so Gingham Glow was already in the collection, but I wanted to try the other ones in the collection. So there's the regular Gingham. Hence the pattern. They got that Gingham pattern on all of these. So let's see what I think of this one. Oh, it's smelling already beautiful before I even... Oh, this is nice. Oh, yes. What it says. Blue freesia, white peach, fresh clementine, violet, and clean musk. This is nice. Oh, I like it. I smell a hint of the peach, but what I'm mostly smelling is the freesia, the violet, and the musk. This is nice. I really like that one. So the regular Gingham, I like that one a lot. And then there's Gingham Fresh. So let's see here. I think when I got Gingham Glow, they didn't have the whole line there, so I only smelled a couple of them at the time. And I just wanted to try one, so I got the Gingham Glow at the time. But this one is lighter than the other one. It says it has juicy pear, which I do smell, sparkling clementine, so this one also has clementine, and fresh daisies. I smell the pear and the clementine. I do smell slight floral, so I guess that is the daisies, but my nose isn't too familiar with daisies, so... But I definitely do smell the pear and the clementine. This one is a beautiful scent as well. All right. So far, so good. And then this one is Gingham Gorgeous. Let's see about this one. This one says that it has pink strawberries, peach nectar, and peony blooms. All right, you smell strawberries right away. You know when you're biting into a peach, a juicy peach? That's a good balance with strawberry and a peach, I must say. I don't know if I like this one or the regular Gingham better. Oh, this one is nice. I love this one. Both of these, this one, let me go back and smell the other ones. Oh, yeah. That pear is really coming alive in that fresh one. And the musk is coming more out. Oh, these are beautiful. Oh my goodness. I love these. Let me go back and smell my glow one that I already had. Yeah, this collection, the ones that I have, I highly recommend these. I'm gonna get some good use out of these this summer. So very nice. So that is the Gingham Gorgeous that I picked up this time. The Gingham, regular Gingham, and the Gingham Fresh. Highly recommend all of these. But let's add the other one in there because I had that one as well. It's just not from this time around. But all of these are beautiful. I highly recommend all of them. Love it, love it, love it. So going back, smelling the other ones to see if I smell something different. Yeah, so going back to these, the single ones are very good for layering. I'm noticing they are very nice. The White Barn collection, I'm happy with all of those. The men's collection, you know, I like them. It'll be up to my husband whether he likes them or not. I really do like those two that I told you got them. Also, was it also navy, and the My Signature one is the standouts for me, but I like them all. And then all of these ginghams are very lovely. So I really am happy with these items that I picked up, and I'll go into some of the other ones that I picked up in the next video. I got some other ones from the women's luxury side. Picked up some of those along with their perfumes. I did pick up some of the Disney collection items, and some of the wedding collection items. So stay tuned, you guys, for my next videos. And if you haven't already, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.